Hey guys, welcome to another weekly report about my YouTube channel, my main one. This week I released this video, reaction / analysis about the new song that Kiko Loureiro released. So this is performing reasonably well. I believe I released it a couple days ago, yes. And we are at almost 100 views, so that is cool. It's trending nicely upwards, already 3 hours of watch time view. Retention not great though, but we will then perform more detailed analysis on retention of not only this video but other ones as well. Now when we go to the overall analytics for the channel, still performance has been going down, as we have mentioned in previous reports, ever since the end of the Olympics, because our best performing video so far is related to the Guitar Olympics. So that, is still kind of stagnating and still performing okay, but getting less and less views over time. We come back here and we check how we are against our monetization goals. We need to get to 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days. So we are at almost 500 watch time hours, which is cool. It's a little over 10%. Still at 32 subscribers, so still not super close to that, but progressing over time. And we have been releasing more videos more consistently since July, right? So around 2 months now. What else can we get of relevant insight over here? So in terms of content, we have top videos, still kind of the same thing as they were in previous weeks. So Guitar Olympics is the top performing one, followed by the Deep Purple reactions. This one, reaction to Richie Kotzen analysis, kind of picked up lately, right? So it was not a great performing video initially, but it has since started to pick up a little bit more, so that is cool. And we're starting to see some more relevant audience data here, so that will inform my posting time for the future. So that is interesting, and I guess that's it. So we're still working towards our monetization goal. There's still a long way to go. Yeah, and that's it, guys. See you in the next one.